Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio B640. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It will look like this: day, month, date, hour, minute, and second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get the high-pitched beeping sound, and it will show the day, month, date, and so on, the timekeeping mode. Okay, now we can set the time, date, and so on by pressing this one, the adjust button on the top left. You might want to use your nail because it's a bit recessed like this, okay? And yes, now the second is flashing or blinking. And first, let's set the time format. And to do that, press the light button on the top right. Okay, so this one is 10 p.m. or 22 for the 24-hour format. So I will just use the 24-hour format. Okay, next we can reset the second by pressing this one, the start stop button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, we can only use the start stop button to increase the number. So this one, let's set back to 22. So I press and hold until almost 22 and then press one by one. Okay, and yes, if we press the light button, it will change the time format. So it's not going to decrease the number but changing the time format. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the minute. Also the same button, the start stop button, to increase the number. And if it's already passing the number that we want, then we need to be patient and then press and hold. So now let me set back to 20. Okay, wait. Okay, now. And then yes, again press the mode button and now we are setting the year. For this one also we can only use the start stop button. And if it's already passing the year that we want, then press and hold until 2099. It will cycle back to 2000. Wait, okay, and then yes, let me press one by one to get to 2024. Okay, now press the mode button and now is the month. Also the same button, the start stop button, to increase the number. So let me set as December 12. Okay, and then again mode button and now is the date. Also the same button, the start stop button, and let me set back to 26. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then press again the mode button and we're back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the adjust button and done. We have set the time and date. And for the day of the week, it will be calculated automatically by the watch. It is pre-programmed up to 2099, so you don't need to input the day. It will be calculated by itself. Okay, if you have any question about the basic setting, please put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.